Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, please kindly subscribe down below and share and like. Today I'm going to be cooking jollof rice. These are all my spices and my ingredients I'm going to be using. Here I have my turkey. This turkey has been washed. Here I have my gizzard. I'm going to be doing gizzard pepper. I've washed it. Here I have my onions, no Maggi cube, chicken Maggi cube. Yeah, I have my red bell pepper. I have my onions, fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes. I've washed it. I sliced it. Yeah, I have my salt to taste. I have my thyme, Maggi, spice. I have my rosemary. I have my ginger. Yeah, I have my curry. Yeah, I have my bay leaves. First of all, I'm going to be toasting my tomatoes. I want it to look like Nigerian jollof rice. This, I've sliced it. Here is my fresh pepper, my bell pepper, the red one, the big one. This is my tomatoes, my onions. I have garlic. I use 1 seed of garlic. This is all. I'm going to put it in the baking oven. I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. Now I'm going to spice my turkey. This is my ginger, my grinded ginger, the dried one. This is my Maggi sauce. This is my curry powder. This is my salt. This is my rosemary. Now I'm going to add my thyme. I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my no Maggi cube and chicken Maggi cube. I'm going to add water. I'm going to allow my turkey to cook for 20 minutes. This is my gizzard. I'm going to spice it. This is my thyme. This is my ginger powder. This is my Maggi sauce. This is my salt. This is my rosemary. I'm going to add my onions. And this is my no Maggi cube. Now I'm going to add water. I'm going to put water inside the pot. I'm going to allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to check my turkey and my gizzard. This is my turkey. The turkey is ready. It's been cooking for 20 minutes. And the gizzard is been cooking for 15 minutes. It's okay. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to be frying my turkey and my gizzard. This is my tomatoes. I have toasted. This is how I want it to look like. This is how I want it to look like. So that when I fry the tomatoes, it will be something like Nigeria stew, Nigeria jollof. It will give me that taste of Nigeria jollof rice. This is how I want it to look like. Now I'm going to be frying my gizzard because I've boiled them before. I'm going to slice my tomatoes, onions, and pepper. I want to use it for the gizzard pepper. First of all, I'm going to put my gizzard inside the oil. The oil is hot. See, from the tomatoes. I don't want the stew to be watery. That's why I'm removing the seed from the tomatoes because there's water inside the tomatoes. Now I've sliced the tomatoes and the onions and the fresh pepper. Now I'm going to fry my onions first. My gizzard is still frying. I'm going to pack it now. Now I'm going to add my atarodo. I'm going to add my sliced fresh tomato. I'm going to stir it. I'm going to add my no Maggi cube. Now I'm going to add my salt. Little bit. I'll leave it to fry for 5 minutes. This is my turkey. I'm going to fry it. Now I'm going to add my gizzard inside the fried pepper. Now fried stew. Now I'm going to stir it together and mix it. The tomato will be fried for 20 minutes. I'm going to allow this to fry. I'm going to taste it. Very delicious. This tastes good. Tastes good. I'm going to boil it. Rice. Now I'm going to be adding my rice inside the water, inside the boiled water to parboil. I'm going to add my no Maggi cube. I'm adding 2 of it. Now I'm going to add my stock meat inside my pot. I'm going to allow it to boil. Now I'm going to add my stew inside the water, the boiling water. Why I boiled the stock meat because I have leftover in the freezer. That is why I need to boil it so that before I will add the stew. Now I'm going to add my rice, the tomatoes, and the stock meat.